Hello, Assalamualaikum. With me again, teacher Aisha. So today we are going to play Dino set. Raw, raw. Okay, so stay tuned to know how to play with Dino. Alright, now let's play with Dino. So, first one, let our child try to hold and please monitor them to hold with 3 fingers ataupun tripod grabs. And second one, try to stack it in hold. Okay, remember, take another one, try to stack it in hold. Okay, for more fun, try to ask them for please stack yellow and put in on 7. Okay, let's try again. Please stack green and put in on 2. Okay, so good luck. Okay, now we are going to talk about the benefit from playing Dino. The first one is improve grip's ability. So this is when our child try to hold the thorns and try to push inside a hole, and that will improve their hand grips. Okay, for the second part was improving colors, numbers, recognitions, and counting. Di mana, for example, when we ask our child to take blue and put in number 4. Okay, so this is when our child to recognize colors blue and the numbers is 4, and when we do practicing more and more, they start to recognize the numbers and also start to counting. For example, number 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. Okay, for the last one is to improve hand strength. In my memory, they start to hand grips and try to control and targeting to the hole and try to push. So this is when start to build strength for the hand when playing these toys. Okay? Jadi, umur yang sesuai untuk bermain dengan Dino, this one is 18 bulan ke atas. Jadi, parents boleh try this at home and good luck. Bye!